welcome back to Ormsby Farm. My name is Casey. So, Super Bowl Sunday is coming, and thanks to my friend Tiffany over at Small Town 6, she has put this collaboration together. There are a lot of other fabulous channels that are joining in on this collaboration, so I will leave a playlist in the description box below so you can watch all the other amazing recipes that are putting together Super Bowl app recipes. Now, disclaimer. I don't know who's in the Super Bowl, but I do know this. Super Bowl food is my favorite. It is so good. This recipe is kind of like a mash together of all the cool, yummy, delicious finger food that are offered at Super Bowl parties. So if that's something that interests you, come along.
I'm coming home.
Alrighty, y'all. So I have my mac and cheese and chicken, and the mac and cheese recipe actually is in our volume 2 of our family's cookbook. I don't know why I was holding up 3, but yeah, you want to add the chicken. Go ahead and add 2 heaping tablespoons of buffalo sauce. It's really dependent on how spicy you want it. We had kids eating this, so I didn't make it too spicy. And the recipe will be in the description box for those that want to write it down. I go ahead and give it a good mix, and this mac and cheese actually has been sitting in the fridge for about 24 hours. It's just easier to roll up and everything that way, so I suggest to leave it overnight in the refrigerator. And after I get it all good and mixed up, we're going to go ahead and we're going to put it in the egg roll paper. Disclaimer, I do not make my egg roll paper. I do buy it from a farmer's market, but there are some great recipes. If you know the great recipes, please leave them in the description box for those who want to know. But I do probably a heaping tablespoon, sometimes a little bit more. And then of course I'm going to fold in the sides and roll it up to a normal egg roll size. And I always put it in a baking dish because I like to freeze mine. Now, normally when I do this recipe, I make like a triple, quadruple batch so that I have it in the freezer. When somebody comes over, I can pull it out. Or if I want some, I pull it out. They're super freezer friendly. But I go ahead and I roll up all of my the mac and cheese egg rolls, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to flash freeze it in the freezer for about 2 to 3 hours. The best is overnight is what I like to do. And again, the egg roll paper I get from a farmer's market, and they are so amazing because they're like $1.25 for like 30 egg roll paper. And I love doing a lot of stuff and freezing snacks, air fryer snacks that you can pull out if you have an impromptu guest. That's why I just love these paper. But I probably will at some point try to learn how to make my own egg roll wrapping paper. And again, I'm putting it in the freezer, and I'm going to go ahead and this is the next day, and I'm going to preheat my air fryer. Preheating is so important for the air fryer. There is usually a button on the air fryer. There are my frozen egg rolls. So what I'm going to do in the preheated air fryer, I'm going to go ahead and add in the number of egg rolls that I want. It doesn't change the cooking time. You just don't want to overfill your air fryer. I have a Cosori air fryer, and there is always a link in my bio box. If you would like to get a Cosori air fryer for yourself, I love mine. It has a little bit of Bluetooth capability. And I'm going to put it into the air fryer. I'm going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil on top. and we're going to put it on 400 degrees for 10 minutes. Y'all, look how crispy and delicious those look as I pull them out of the air fryer. Every time I pull them out of the air fryer, I get so excited that I have to like dance a little bit. Told you. And I like to get a good solid slice right down the center at a diagonal. I just think they look prettier, especially if you're doing it for guests. There was a lot of steam. You probably like to get them to cool maybe a little bit before you do anything. But I'm impatient and didn't want to. So go ahead and cut them all up, and y'all, they turned out so delicious and so yummy. Add them with your favorite ranch. You could do them with some more buffalo sauce too. Again, we had kids eating these, so I didn't want to make them too super spicy, but the spicier the better for me. So I love a good buffalo chicken mac and cheese dish anyways, and these are just delicious. Y'all give us a like if you like it.
Alrighty, y'all, thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you tried this recipe for your Super Bowl Sunday, be sure to tag us on your social media. I'd love to see how yours turned out. It is so yummy, it's so delicious, it's so easy, so make sure you try it. Again, thank you to Tiffany from Small Town 6 for putting this collaboration together, and all of the channels that are included in this collaboration will be in the description box below, so definitely go show them some love, give them a thumbs up, give them a subscribe, give them a like, and y'all, if you're enjoying my videos, make sure you're giving us a thumbs up and subscribing, and go ahead and hit that bell icon so that you know that anytime that new content drops to our channel. Follow us on social media at Instagram and Facebook at Ormsby Farms. We post there every single day. Till next time, put you on some more pay. Enjoy your Super Bowl Sunday. Enjoy your appetizers. And y'all, until next time, be blessed.
I'm coming